Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, today in this video I will inform you about three important updates from Tigray, Amhara, and Ethiopia conflict, Oromia and Ethiopia conflict, and Ethiopia and Sudan. Viewers, today Sudanese military claimed that Sudanese forces had repelled an attempted incursion by Ethiopian forces in the border area between the Ethiopia and Sudan. And in a military statement, it is being said that the Ethiopian forces had been forced to retreat from the Barakit area without any giving further detail. Viewers, Colonel Getnet Adane, Ethiopia's military spokesperson, did not immediately respond to request for comment, and tension along the border between Sudan and Ethiopia have escalated since the outbreak of the conflict in Ethiopia's northern Tigray region last year. Viewers, the tension have focused on an area of fertile farmland known as Al Fashaka, where the border is disputed. Viewers, on the other hand, about Ethiopia Tigray Amhara conflict, Tigray Defense Force side claims that Tigray Defense Force has completely defeated Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces in Wag city. And Wag is now fully in control of Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force has claimed to have gained control over several vehicles and heavy weapons of Amhara forces and its allies after defeating Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces in Wag. And a photo from Tigray Defense Force about the claim are also shared that you can see on your screen. In this picture, you can see one tank and other combat equipment, and it is claimed on behalf of Tigray Defense Force that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have gained control over war equipment after complete defeat of Amhara forces and its allies in Wag city, and the soldier of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces have also closed the bridge connecting Ibnet and Wag while fleeing from Wag city. Viewers, in previous video I informed you that almost 3 or 4 days ago, Ibnet Mdevark Bridge destroyed and both sides blaming each other. Here, it was claimed by Tigray Defense Force that the bridge has been destroyed by Amhara forces and Ethiopian National Defense Force as it leaves the Mdevark. And at the same time, we also received reports from several Amhara sources that this bridge was destroyed by Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, one question here is why Tigray Defense Force will break this bridge. And the real effort of Tigray Defense Force is to get control of the main road connecting the Gondar and the Behirdar as soon as possible. So why would they turn off their own way? This question has also been answered by several senior journalists that the bridge has been destroyed by Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving further, and also received various reports about it. Viewers, many sources have said that the bridge has been rebuilt, and many sources are denying that the bridge has not yet been rebuilt. And on the other hand, according to the reports received since yesterday, the Tekeze Bridge in west of Mdevark is now confirmed as being blown. And here also Tigray Defense Force claiming that again Amhara forces blocked the another bridge. And picture about it also shared, which you can see on your screen, as it appears to still be passable by foot, but no traffic can pass through this bridge. Viewers, according to the Oromo Liberation Army, thousands of their newly recruits soldiers arriving for military training, and said that Oromo Liberation Army fighting with Ethiopian army for their survival. For this purpose, Oromo Liberation Army expanding itself in the Oromia region, and for the past several days, Oromo Liberation Army has been claiming that the Oromo Liberation Army has taken control of many areas in the Nekmate. So viewers, so far this latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.